Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of passive income? Imagine receiving monthly paychecks just for investing. It's possible with dividend ETFs. Today, we'll explore the top 8 monthly dividend ETFs. You'll want to stick around for a special tip at the end. Let's dive into why dividend ETFs are game changers. They provide steady income and diversification. Plus, they lower financial risk while offering growth potential. This makes them perfect for both new and seasoned investors. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First, let's look at PFF. The iShares Preferred and Income Securities ETF offers investors an attractive option by combining potential stability with consistent income from preferred stock investments. PFF remains a solid choice for those seeking dependable monthly income while investing in preferred stocks, effectively balancing growth potential and income generation for its investors. The PFF dividend yield stands at 6.5%. This impressive yield offers investors a reliable source of income, making PFF an appealing choice for those seeking attractive returns in the current market environment. Therefore, investors might consider this opportunity seriously as part of their financial strategy. VGLT comes next. This ETF not only provides a reliable source of income but also serves as a protective cushion against economic uncertainty. Overall, investing in this ETF allows individuals to secure their financial future while maintaining peace of mind, especially when the markets become unpredictable. Its focus on long-term U.S. Treasury bonds sets it apart, making it a wise choice for conservative investors seeking durability. The VGLT dividend yield stands at 4.5%. This competitive yield positions VGLT as an attractive investment option for those seeking income through dividends, particularly in a low-interest rate environment. Investors may find this opportunity appealing as they look to enhance their portfolio's returns amid fluctuating market conditions. EMB is another exciting choice. This exchange-traded fund specifically targets high-growth regions. It offers investors exposure. By focusing on sectors and economies expected to outperform, this ETF aims to provide substantial returns, making it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolios with emerging market debt. Investors can capitalize on the potential of these markets while managing risk effectively. It has higher yields but comes with extra risk. The EMB dividend yield currently stands at 5.5%. This promising yield highlights the potential for investors seeking steady income from their investments, making EMB an attractive option in today's market. Investors can benefit from both capital appreciation and the reliable returns EMB offers through its competitive dividend yield. SHO offers a stable investment choice, allowing conservative investors to safeguard their capital while earning modest returns over time. Investors can confidently rely on SHO. Ultimately, SHO stands as a reliable option for those prioritizing preservation of capital and minimal risk, perfectly aligning with conservative investment strategies in the ever-changing financial landscape. The SHO dividend yield stands at 4.2%. The impressive dividend yield highlights SHO's commitment to providing attractive returns to its investors. With a focus on sustainable growth and shareholder value, SHO continues to foster a strong financial foundation. This yield not only benefits current shareholders but also attracts potential investors looking for reliability. SCHR provides investors with a strategic approach, effectively managing the trade-offs between yield opportunities and prevailing interest rate risks in the market. SCHR stands out as a key option for investors seeking a balanced investment in treasury bonds, offering an attractive yield while maintaining a prudent mitigation of interest rate risks. The SCHR dividend yield stands at 3.8%. This impressive yield reflects the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders, indicating a strong financial performance and a reliable income stream for investors in a fluctuating market. It's an attractive prospect for those seeking steady returns. TLH focuses on long-duration treasury bonds. If your investment strategy prioritizes stability over high returns, TLH offers peace of mind. TLH provides a reliable option. Ultimately, TLH ensures that your financial journey remains secure, allowing you to focus on your long-term goals without the fear of market volatility. The balance it strikes between safety and yield is invaluable in today's unpredictable economic landscape. The TLH dividend yield stands at 4.2%. This yield presents an appealing opportunity for investors seeking reliable income streams. With its competitive return, TLH continues to attract those looking to enhance their portfolios while minimizing risks associated with market volatility. For investors seeking stability, BLV provides a solid choice by focusing on U.S. government bonds, ensuring lower risk while aiming for improved long-term growth. With BLV, your investment can benefit from the potential of higher returns while maintaining a secure foundation. BLV stands as a strategic investment option for those who prioritize both security and the potential for enhanced returns, making it an ideal selection for long-term bond exposure. The BLV dividend yield stands at 4.7%. This yield presents an appealing opportunity for investors seeking reliable income through dividends. With a focused strategy on maximizing returns, BLV aims to provide consistent payouts that can enhance overall investment portfolios for both seasoned and new investors alike. Finally, QYLD is an intriguing investment option. In this video, we'll explore what makes QYLD stand out in the world of finance. From its unique strategy to its potential benefits, we'll cover all the essential details you need to consider whether this investment aligns with your financial goals. This innovative ETF not only tracks the fastest-growing tech stocks but also ensures reliable monthly dividends. In a world where technology is ever evolving, this ETF stands out as a beacon for investors seeking both growth and income, striking a perfect balance between capital appreciation and continuous cash flow for their portfolio. The QYLD dividend yield impressively stands at 13.4%. This remarkable yield signifies a noteworthy opportunity for income-focused investors, making QYLD a potential candidate for those seeking robust returns in today's market. With such a substantial payout, it's essential to consider how this investment aligns with your overall financial strategy. Now, let's summarize the key points. We discussed 8 monthly dividend ETFs: PFF, VGLT, EMB, SHO, SCHR, TLH, BLV, and QYLD. Each offers unique benefits, aligning with various investment strategies. Remember to consider your financial goals before investing. And here's the surprise reveal. Investing in dividend ETFs opens doors to passive income, making your financial goals achievable much faster than anticipated. By choosing the right funds and reinvesting your dividends, you can create a powerful wealth-building strategy that paves the way to your dreams of financial independence and security. Embrace this journey toward stability and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. As you navigate the vast world of finance, remember that knowledge is an invaluable asset. Let curiosity fuel your journey towards financial success. And never hesitate to seek expert guidance along the way. Ultimately, by maintaining a commitment to learning and seeking advice when needed, you can build a secure financial future that reflects your dreams and ambitions. Embrace the journey, for it's a continuous process of growth and discovery. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring more great insights. Thank you for watching. Helps us bring more great